This activity list is ELA week of March 26th, and it is due this Friday, March 30th. For the first activity, it says required 3 times for 20 minutes each. Read to self and practice your power goal. Check the box each time you complete it. For work on writing this week, required for 20 minutes, it says, imagine visiting a park for the day. Create a narrative Foursquare plan telling a story about what you would do at a park. Remember to include an introduction, at least 2 major events, and a conclusion. This is independent. Reflect when you're finished. Required for 15 minutes, using your Foursquare plan, complete the narrative draft from the resource area. This is going to be a worksheet, so make sure you grab the sheet. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. Required for 10 minutes, when you are finished with your narrative writing, score yourself and edit your writing using the rubric in the resource area. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. Required for 10 minutes, complete the Fix-It activity in the resource area by rewriting the sentences on the recording sheet. This can be done independent or a pair. Reflect when you're finished. For reading comprehension this week, required for 20 minutes, you're going to read the blank book in the Sleuth magazine. Don't forget you can use the table of contents to find where the blank book is located. Then answer the questions in the resource area. This can be done independent or a pair. Reflect when you're done. Required for 15 minutes, listen to reading. It says, listen to a story on Raz-Kids on your level. What is the title? Take the quiz. Write down your score. Independent. Reflect when you're finished. For foundational skills this week, required for 20 minutes, green and blue readers, record yourself reading the word list on your level and upload to Seesaw. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. For red and white level readers, it says complete the vowel split fluency passage. Required for 5 minutes, also, scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. Independent. Reflect when you're done. In social studies this week, you have a choice for 20 minutes. Read Heading West, learn about a pioneer's life, or scan the QR code and listen to Heading West, learn about a pioneer's life. Independent or pair. Reflect when you're finished. Required for 10 minutes, answer the Heading West questions in the resource area. Independent. Reflect when you're finished. And optional to be done when you're finished with everything else. How are pioneers like immigrants? How are they different? On a sheet of notebook paper, explain the similarities and differences between pioneers and immigrants. Independent. Reflect when you're finished. Good luck this week.